quick demo on the app. You basically go from left to right across the top here. First thing you do is pick the metro region database that you want to use. We have Seattle unlocked. It's free. Go ahead and look around. The second thing you do is pick your project location. Select anywhere on the map. You can move the map around and go in as close as you want or pan out. Let's just say that it's on top of Queen Anne Hill. Then you pick your level of care that your project is, whether it's independent or assisted or memory care. Say we're looking at independent living. Then you pick the size of your project. Let's say that we're going to do 100 units, and then you want to determine your primary market area. And you can look at it by distance, or you can look at it by drive times, or you can draw a polygon of your own. Let's say that we're just going to use drive time. The other part of this that you want to look at is the percent fill, and that fill is the percent of people that you feel are going to come within the primary market area that are going to fill your project. So let's say that it's 75%. Then you simply go over here and run your market analysis. The computer is going to think, pull all the data, do some calculations, and it will come up with a map with all the projects numbered. It will tell you the size of your the competition and the distance. It will give you some detail on the competition, give you the year open, the type of contract, their occupancy, unit counts by unit type, the size of their unit types, and the pricing of those units, whether they're monthly fees or their entrance fees. Then it's going to give you penetration rates, and we've got this broken out into two age cohorts, 65 and up and 75 and up. And for each of those cohorts, we have different income groups, 35,000 and up, 50,000 up, 75,000 up, and 100,000 and up. We'll let you determine what type of project you're looking at and which demographic cohort you should be considering. But let's say that we're looking at 75 and up and 100,000, and we see that it's 38.6% for the gross market penetration rate. And we're like, oh, that's too high. We want some to get it a little lower. Let's go out and let's say that our market area we're really going to pull from further away, 12 minutes, and then you can rerun the report. Obviously, you saw when it went further out, it pulled in more competition as well. You can look at the detail of that competition and go back down here. Now we see, oh my goodness, we went further out, but our penetration rate went up even further. So that would tell me that it's a highly penetrated market. One of the other things that you can do is you can say, well, some of that competition really isn't competition for our product type, so let's just sort of take them off. I'm just randomly doing it just for showing you the functionality. It re-pulls it up, and you can see the penetration rate went back down again. We do have some recommendations, but I'm leaving that up to you to determine what penetration rates you're comfortable with and what demographic variables that you want to look at. And each time we do have a demographics table down at the bottom. So that is the basic functionality. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Would be happy to answer and help you through it. Thanks.